What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be talking about XRP, but before we get started, if you're not a member of the free Discord, please click the link in the description box below and get started with the free Discord. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. So let's talk about XRP. Why is nobody talking about this? Look at this massive triangle on XRP, and yet most of the internet is completely silent about XRP right now. If they knew what was about to come in this coin, I guarantee a lot more people would be talking about it. Because we just broke bullish out of a multi-year massive triangle and came back down and tested the support level, which almost always happens at breakouts. This is literally a prime opportunity to be picking up XRP before we get this triangle to play out. We broke out and we retested support. Most of the time when you have trading patterns, when you break out of those trading patterns, you come back down to test the support of the pattern. So you'll break out, come back down, test support, and then take off. That's exactly what XRP just did. We have a massive triangle here, and really it's ready to break out and go a lot higher from here. So I love this setup on XRP. A lot of people are not talking about XRP right now, and they're certainly not talking about this triangle. They don't know what's about to happen in the market. And I'm here to tell you, XRP looks super bullish in the big picture as we broke bullish out of a multi-year triangle and came back down and tested it as support. Why is nobody talking about this? Why isn't the entire internet talking about it? Well, the real reason is because time squeezes most people out of the market. In my video yesterday, I was talking about Bitcoin Cash and how these big accumulation patterns often shake people out really just because they're not patient. They don't see it mooning yet, and they see other stuff taking off, and they go, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and buy something else because XRP isn't doing anything. It's not doing anything yet, of course, because it's accumulating. When it breaks out, it's going to go completely nuts. And it just barely broke out and retested support. So I think big things are coming here with XRP. I'm super bullish on this coin in the big picture. I think we're going to have a big bullish breakout and really start to take off here and push right up through our major resistance levels as we break above this massive triangle resistance and really show the world what this thing is made out of. Because XRP is one of the best setups. I really, really like this setup here on XRP. Now, one of the things I'm noticing too with this setup is a lot of people don't understand what can happen as a result of a breakout like this. So let's go ahead and look at what happened last time XRP did this very same thing. So let's go ahead and add another chart onto our trading view here, and we'll add XRP again to trading view, and you'll get a little idea about what I'm talking about here with XRP. So here is XRP in the last cycle, and we're going to go ahead and remove all the drawing tools, and we're going to look at XRP today versus XRP in the last cycle. Now, again, people are not patient enough. They don't understand that it takes time to make money in the markets. If you want to make money in crypto and you want to do it without just completely gambling, then you have to wait patiently for your coin to break out, for it to play out according to your trading plan. Now, the last accumulation cycle was also a big triangle for XRP. The difference is this triangle really only lasted about 3 years, whereas the triangle we just barely have right now that we just barely formed on XRP is multiple years. It's closer to 7 years long, but it's the exact same pattern. It's the exact same psychology taking place all over again. You can't tell me that this is not a spitting image of this. It's the exact same thing. The only difference is the pattern we have today is even bigger, so the breakout is going to be even longer. It's going to be a more sustained breakout. It could last multiple years. This is twice as big worth of time as the last accumulation cycle on XRP. So this setup is looking incredible here with XRP, and I think we're going to break bullish out of these local resistance levels and really start to take off just like we did last cycle as we broke bullish out of that triangle. Now, as we break bullish out of the triangle, a lot of people are still going to be skeptical until it's breaking all-time highs, because that's how human psychology works. We're in the disbelief phase of the market cycle. A lot of people don't think it's going to go up. They're in disbelief. But somebody in my Discord was asking me just today, hey, Dallin, if you had $20,000 to put into the market, where would you put it? And to be honest with you, XRP would be one of my top picks. I've got some other ones as well, but XRP would be right up there as one of my top picks because this thing is getting ready to completely skyrocket. This is a multi-year accumulation pattern, and for the people that don't know what this is, just wait and find out. Hopefully you're not waiting outside of the market. Hopefully you've got some money in the market. But hey, this thing is going to completely blow people away and really skyrocket as it breaks above the triangle resistance and takes off. And by the way, if you draw these lines correctly, we actually already broke out and retested support. Again, this is a very, very common thing to have happen in the market whenever you break out of resistance for you to come back down and test it as support. So with XRP, I think we're getting ready to go from 55 cents to, first we're going to break 80 cents, our local resistance area around 80 cents, 80 to 90. And then our next area of local resistance will be about $2. And then after that, it's the old all-time high. And you can see the result of the last triangle. We broke well above the old all-time high and went into a new bull market and expanded out to new heights that we've never been before. It's called price discovery. And we just obliterated the old all-time high. And that's what I see coming here for XRP again. Only it's going to be bigger. This is multiple years. This has been going on since 2018. Like I said, this is almost 7 years of accumulation on XRP. That's twice as long as our last accumulation triangle on XRP. So this thing could blow up for multiple years. It could have a multi-year bull market as a result of this pattern. And again, it could completely obliterate the old all-time high and skyrocket to new all-time highs. So this is definitely one of the best setups I'm seeing in the whole market. It just looks amazing. Why is nobody talking about this triangle on XRP? Why isn't this front page news? Again, it's because people, they don't have the patience to wait enough time for a lot of these bigger accumulation cycles to take place. And because of that, they give up and they stop looking for bullishness in the charts, even though it's there, because they sold their coins and they want to justify the fact that they sold their coins. But the only way to justify yourself is to actually honestly, objectively look at the market and see what it's telling you and see if you're finding bullish or bearish patterns And with XRP, I'm seeing bullish patterns everywhere. This thing looks amazing. So yeah, I'm on fire right now because I'm excited about this thing. It's going to take off, blow people away, skyrocket, and make a lot of people rich. I really believe that. And yeah, of course, it's a market, so people will be like, well, you can't say with 100% certainty what it's going to do. And yeah, there's truth to that, of course. But I can say with a high degree of confidence that I've seen this before and that history repeats itself, or at least it rhymes. A lot of times it basically repeats itself. And if it doesn't, it's really similar to what happened previously. So yeah, I'm super confident in this XRP setup, and I really believe this is going to be a big player this cycle. A lot of people are sleeping on XRP, but XRP is a sleeping giant, ready to blow people away, make a lot of people rich, and really print money for those people that are willing to see it for what it is. And yeah, for the guy in my Discord that wants to know where to put $20,000, XRP would definitely be one of my top picks. If I was you, I'd be putting it in XRP. If I was you, I'd be putting it in XRP. It's just a great setup. So I love the setup here on XRP. I also am really liking the setup on Bitcoin. I know a lot of people are thinking, oh, we're bearish, we're going to drop hard, we're going to go lower. But you guys, Bitcoin is not doing anything new. See this violent correction that happened on gold after gold broke its old all-time high? Bitcoin also had to have a final violent shakeout, just like how gold had to, before gold went higher after breaking its old all-time high. That's what markets do. Again, at the start of the video, we were talking about how when you break out of a resistance level, you often come back down to retest it. That's exactly what Bitcoin just did. We broke above resistance and we came back down to test that area of support and resistance. So I really think we're getting ready to take off here on Bitcoin, blow people away, break out to a new all-time high, and yet a whole bunch of people are perma-bearish. They're expecting like 30K and 20K. And again, everybody's like Dallin, anything can happen in the market. And yeah, of course, it's true. But I'm pretty dang confident that it's following the gold fractal, which is what we talked about at the beginning of the summer, before the correction even happened. The Bitcoin was following gold, and it still is. It's still the same structure. So I'm bullish on Bitcoin too, and I'm really excited about what's coming in the crypto markets. So that's my update for the day. I love you guys, and yeah, XRP is looking amazing, and Bitcoin is looking incredible. See you guys next time. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I love and appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and share it with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. As always, stay profitable out there.